Top 10 places to visit in Maldives. From the bustling streets of its capital to the serene beauty of its secluded islands, the Maldives offers a plethora of places to visit that promise unforgettable memories. Here is a list of the top 10 places that should be on your travel itinerary when visiting the Maldives. 1. Male City. Male City, the vibrant capital of the Maldives, offers visitors a stark contrast to the laid-back vibe of the surrounding islands. This densely populated city is a hub of cultural and economic activity, bustling with markets, restaurants, and historical sites. Notable for its colorful buildings and narrow streets, Male allows tourists to experience the Maldivian way of life beyond the resorts. Key attractions include the Sultan Park, home to the National Museum, which showcases the country's rich history, and the Old Friday Mosque, an architectural marvel made from coral stone. 2. Artificial Beach. Nestled on the eastern coast of Male, Artificial Beach is a man-made wonder designed to offer a slice of the Maldives' famed beach experience within the capital city. This innovative creation provides a much-needed recreational space for both locals and tourists in an area where natural beaches are scarce. Its calm, turquoise waters make it an ideal spot for swimming, especially for families with children. 3. Addu Atoll. Addu Atoll, the southernmost atoll of the Maldives, stands apart for its historical significance and natural beauty. Unlike other parts of the Maldives, Addu Atoll played a pivotal role during World War I, which is evident from the remnants of British military bases. Today, this atoll is a blend of history and paradise, offering visitors a unique perspective on the Maldives. Its lush vegetation and diverse marine life make it a perfect destination for nature lovers and divers alike. 4. Mafushi Island. Mafushi Island, once a quiet fishing village, has transformed into one of the most popular local islands for tourists in the Maldives. Offering a blend of relaxation and adventure, this island is a more affordable alternative to the luxury resort islands, making it a favorite among budget travelers. Visitors can enjoy beautiful bikini beaches, unique to local islands, where sunbathing and swimming in bikinis is allowed. 5. Grand Friday Mosque. The Grand Friday Mosque, an emblematic monument of Islamic architecture, stands as a spiritual centerpiece in the Maldives. Officially known as Masjid al-Sultan Muhammad Thaqifani al-Ozam, it is named after one of the country's most revered heroes. This grand mosque is not only the largest in the Maldives, but also holds a significant place in the hearts of Maldivians. 6. Fulhadhu Island. Fulhadhu Island is a secluded gem in the Ba Atoll, celebrated for its untouched beauty and serene atmosphere. This island provides a tranquil escape with its pristine beaches, clear azure waters, and vibrant coral reefs teeming with marine life. Unlike more developed tourist spots in the Maldives, Fulhadhu maintains a quiet charm, making it ideal for those seeking solace and an intimate connection with nature. 7. The Miraka. The Miraka is a marvel of modern engineering and luxury, taking the Maldivian underwater living experience to unprecedented heights. Situated within the Conrad Maldives Rangali Island Resort, this architectural masterpiece features the world's first underwater hotel room. 8. Vadhu Island. Vadhu Island, a small island within the Ra Atoll, is renowned worldwide for its spectacular natural phenomenon, the Sea of Stars. This mesmerizing sight occurs due to bioluminescent plankton that light up the water along the beach at night, creating a starry effect on the surface of the ocean. Visitors from across the globe flock to Vadhu to witness this enchanting display, which is most vibrant from late summer through the end of the year. 9. Whale Submarine Tour. The Whale Submarine Tour presents a unique opportunity to delve deep into the underwater world of the Maldives without getting wet. This extraordinary experience allows passengers to explore the vibrant coral reefs and marvel at the diverse marine life, including colorful fish, turtles, and possibly even sharks, from the comfort of a fully submerged submarine. 10. National Museum. Situated within the lush confines of Sultan Park in Male, the National Museum of the Maldives serves as a custodian of the nation's heritage, offering visitors a deep dive into its rich history and cultural evolution. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.